The total amount of loan our Neelakantan has to pay us all is 1,37,433 rupees 50 paisa.
Oh, so much in total. Who is going to give it?
You are only have to give.
Oh my God, what happened?
What
is
happened?
happening?
Oh my God, did he fell?
What happened?
What
What happened to
happened?
you?
Now who will pay
Get
our
up.
debts?
All of you don't stand over here like this, he will die. Where did he go?
He vanished.
Oh my God. Neelakanta, where are you?
My son Keshava. This Neelakantan is going to leave this body now. In front of the people who has loaned me, I act like it is a suicide. You have to cooperate to me. If I win in this, I will fill your whole stomach with fruits only. You should not disturb me after that.
Hey Neelakanta,
Hey,
what are
Neelakanta.
you doing, man?
Hey, Neelakanta.
Oh, I
Very
should begin now.
dangerous. Get down, get
Hey,
down.
what are you doing, Neelakanta? What is this foolish thing you are doing here?
Yes, because of my foolishness only. Now I am standing in front of you. Don't deviate the topic without paying back. I am talking about paying back only.
What will you do keeping that in your hand?
By holding this, I am going to place swings here. You don't understand. I am using it to hang myself.
Listen here, police and fire force have been informed. If they come, you will be jailed.
It is not me who is going, it is you. Take a look at this. This is a suicidal note. The reason for my death, it is going to be you guys. You know that? Hey, we can solve everything. Come down. Hey, shut up. When you guys held a meeting, I thought my loans will be waived off. But now only I understand what happened.
Oh, you come down now.
No, I've decided I want to kill myself.
Oh no, what is this
no,
guy?
what is he
doing?
Hey,
Oh,
what is he doing? Himself.
What is this
Neelakanta,
guy
Oh my
doing?
God, he's going
don't
to die.
do like this.
Why is he angry
Please
Come
stop
himself?
down.
him.
Listen to me.
Somebody
Neelakanta,
stop him.
don't do it.
Oh my God, he's going to
Oh,
hell.
no,
He's
come down.
going to
Neelakanta.
die. He's going to die. He's going to die.
Somebody do something.
Do something.
Neelakanta.
Oh my God.
Take this, Neelakanta. Eat it. Eat it happily.
Eat this orange too.
You guys had so much love. Now only I'm getting it.
At this crucial time, I'm very happy that the branch was very weak and it broke off.
No. We don't have to get details of him.
Let us not inform to his house.
Oh, is it?
His wife will cry and his mother will scold us.
Oh.
Dear Neelakanta, eat this apple. It will make you healthy. Eat it. Neelakanta, I do have a bottle. Do you want to drink it?
You people stop feeding him now. If you have finished your lecture means move aside. I need to speak to him. We saved him for all of us, right? Oh. Why are you crying now?
After seeing them in their hardship, I couldn't tolerate, boss.
You should get well soon and come. We all are wishing the same. Do you know that?
What is that?
As you fell from the tree, did you forget regarding the loans? Aiyo, if we forget also, how can we forget? Then we'll do one thing. Let us waive off all the loans which has to give. What waiving off? You can waive off your money, but I want all my money back.
I really don't care about others, but I want my fish money.
I want my liquor money.
Then my money.
Oh my God. What is this situation? Suddenly these guys showed their true colors.
Dear Neelakanta, this is the life, man.
I don't want to leave, boss. Give me a little poison.
Poison? Hey, Kanara, did you hear what he said?
If you die, who is going to give us money? I don't think I can pay your money back in this life.
Oh
Regarding this loan matter, we have to do something and take decision. Regarding his loan amount, I have thought something. There is going to be only one way. What is the way?
Wrestling competition. There's a wrestling competition in our temple. The wrestling competition is only for male only. The wrestling competition is actually held in order to clear off Neelakantan's debt money. In order to save him from the debt, we have arranged this wrestling competition only for Neelakantan.
This time is so beautiful. Oh, look how beautiful I am. Let me keep this flower also. Wait, I am coming now. Who is it? I don't know. Hey, Moido. Why have you come so late? Huh?
I have a desire from a very long time.
What?
The thing is that I want to...
Hey, get out.
Don't shout. People will come here and they'll harass me.
If you want respect, get out now. Go away.
What are you doing here?
The thing is that I was here to collect my fish money.
Fish money? Are you selling in midnight?
Hey, oh my God, I was only joking.
Your joke is very funny. Once again, if I see you over here, I'm gonna break your leg now. Go from here. Go.
Huh? You should have hit him more, isn't it?
As everyone is knowing about you, that is why the fish guy is coming around you. I know about it.
Listen, you doubt on me also, right?
No, I am not doubting on you. That is why I came here, no? Take it.
But you don't have to go today.
Have I come to go away from here? I will welcome our wrestler of our village. Put in the garland.
Buzz the crackers, man.
Hey, who is that idiot who is not allowing me to sleep peacefully?
Who are you?
I'm a wrestler.
Then who is he?
He is my assistant.
Then put the garland to him, da.
Oh, you come here 1 minute. Even if I put it or take it, he will slap me.
Our wrestlers always do that. You do that, man.
Okay.
We already did that.
Who are you?
I am Damayanti. What is your name, wrestler?
Olympian Bhudan Appachan.
Your name is Olympian's Ghost.
Stop with your nonsense. Just look at him. He's a big person.
Have you played in Olympics?
Who are you, man?
I'm Kanar. I'm the branch secretary.
Who is that?
If I want to tell it properly, they are cheaters. But they have said it properly in English.
Do you think if they communicate in English, I won't understand? What do you think?
Oh my god, wrestler! Just yesterday we got him discharged from the hospital.
Get out of my sight. Don't play games with me. I'm very hungry.
We'll do one thing. You take him to your house.
To my house.
That's right.
Ayo.
Is he the one you were talking about to help you about your debts?
Do you know? I'm a wrestler. I'm a wrestler.
Amma, he is representing wrestling.
Oh, is it? Come sit.
Let that be. First of all, I'm very hungry. I need some food.
Mama, he is asking to eat something.
I need the menu card.
No need of money. You have come to help us about our debts. It's not good to take money from you.
Even my dog won't eat normal food.
Can I get that food here?
I leave this place.
No.
Don't do
Leave me.
that.
Please leave
Don't
me.
do that, wrestler.
Even if it's old food, give it to me. I'll eat it.
Don't want. In hotel we can eat good food.
I only like home food.
No problem. We can get good food.
No problem. I like the old food.
This is a old food.
Old food is very healthy and it is very good for wrestling. I only eat old
Other
food.
than good food and homely food, I'll get it from outside.
No, I
No, I'll
only
bring it
want
from
old
outside.
food.
I'll
I
bring it
want
from
it here
outside.
only.
No,
I
no,
want
no,
it
no,
here
If I go
only.
with him, I'll eat some chicken biryani.
He is Appachan.
Who is this?
That is his name. He's a wrestler.
Yay!
For returning Nilakanthan's loan and also to save my respect, I bought him over here. He's come from Sengotai
But why is he here?
to stay over here. There is no place for him to stay. If he stays over here, only two of you are here, right? To run, jump and do exercise, it will be convenient for him.
For what you are saying, I might have agreed. But in that case, I should also ask my son. Dushanta,
Dad, did you call me?
son, this is Appachan. He is a wrestler. Here,
I heard everything. It is okay if he wants to stay here, but it should not disturb my education.
He may look like this, but he will not do anything wrong. He is wrestler Electric Estappa's grandson.
oh, is
Uh-huh.
it? Then I've seen his fights, I guess.
Huh?
What a physique it is. Of course, body is the main weapon, you know.
I'm not exaggerating about my grandfather, but he was a very good wrestler. In his lifetime, he went to competition only 2 times, but the 3rd time he was dead.
Oh my
but
God.
I'm ready to continue the family legacy. What will you do? I'll continue it.
He's not a normal wrestler. He's well educated. He knows poetry also. You'll have a nice company.
Then he'll be very happy. Why does this wrestler need poetry?
Don't talk like that. Just because he's a file man doesn't mean that he has got no knowledge in literature. Not only 5 days, you can stay here for 10 days.
Then let him be here. You think it is your own house.
You don't have to say it separately. All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
Have you bought your clothes for changing?
Hey, when I'm sleeping, I don't wear anything. It is not good for muscles.
Shall I leave?
Okay.
No one is here.
Who are you? I didn't get you.
I know you don't know me, but think about 2 years back.
What is that? I don't understand.
Do you know Shahar Bank's manager?
Yes, the Ramandan Iyer, the tall fat guy.
I am that manager.
Ayo, what is this?
You're asking what happened? 2 years back when I gave you that loan amount, I was like him. I weighed 120 kilos. In order to recover the loan amount from you, I lost the weight and I weighed 22 kilos. When you requested me, that is why I gave you the loan amount.
Like you said, nothing has even changed now. Please give some more time.
Huh? You need more time? In order to give you more time, I don't have that energy.
To help me clear my loans off, there is a wrestling master. Once I get the money, I'll pay them to the bank.
I really can't wait till then. If you don't clear the debt within tomorrow, we are going to seize your house. Huh?
If I want to do it like that, I have to get to another bank, that's all.
Huh? To get the loan?
To commit a crime, do I have to become a thief?
Do whatever you want, but pay the money within tomorrow, or else we'll seize the house. Let's go.
Oh my god. What kind of test is this? Please help me to come out of this. Please keep this and give me 6,000 rupees.
6,000 rupees? Are you joking?
If I don't get that, I'm going to kill myself.
Really?
Boss, I promise on the wooden logs here.
Whatever it is, in this condition, we can't let you to die. If you want money means, there are some conditions.
I won't get money. You will find my dead body in the pond.
How is it? If you hang yourself, how your dead body will be in pond?
Boss, if I don't pay back to bank, they are telling they are going to seize my house.
What you're saying is true?
Yes.
I'll give you the money.
Boss, you're really a god to me. Take this gold.
I don't need this.
Then I don't want any money.
This situation is like catching the tiger's tail. Neelakanta, you don't have to pledge this to take money from me. Don't you know this?
I know that, boss. You have given so much of money, right? Just for my satisfaction. Keep this with you. I'll give the money and take it back.